Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis. Today, we're diving into what can only be described as the best metal wire rack available on the market, the Amazon Basics 5-Shelf Adjustable Storage Shelving Unit. Whether you're organizing your garage, kitchen, or workspace, this rack promises durability, versatility, and ample storage space. First off, let's talk build quality. This rack is constructed from durable steel with a sleek chrome finish, ensuring not only strength but also a stylish addition to any setting. Each shelf boasts an impressive 350-pound capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty storage needs. Plus, with a total weight capacity of 1,750 pounds, you can trust this rack to handle your heaviest items with ease. What sets this unit apart is its adjustability. You can customize shelf height in 1-inch increments, allowing for flexible storage solutions. Whether you're storing large bins or smaller tools, this feature ensures everything fits just right. And installation? It's a breeze. No tools required, thanks to its simple assembly design. Where can you use this rack? The possibilities are endless. It's perfect for garages, laundry rooms, kitchens, or even as a display unit in your home office. Its sturdy construction and stability, thanks to the 4 leveling feet, mean you can confidently place it on any flat surface without wobbling. In conclusion, if you're looking for a robust, adjustable storage solution that combines strength with style, the Amazon Basics 5-Shelf Adjustable Storage Shelving Unit is the clear winner. It's not just a rack, it's a dependable partner in keeping your space organized and clutter-free. That wraps up our review of the Amazon Basics 5-Shelf Adjustable Storage Shelving Unit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product critiques. Until next time, stay organized.